What is white privilege anyway? Because you're born with white skin, you have all these advantages that I don't have? Like what? Like you can get a mortgage loan that I can't get? I got a loan. At a great rate, by the way, and I got the house. Why would a banker not give a loan to someone who met the loan requirements? He doesn't want to make money? I've never heard of such a banker.
My job is to explain how Americans don't deal with our fellow Americans one-on-one. The clip you just saw was of Officer Tatum in a video for Prager U where he's trying to end white privilege. Now, the problem with him asking, why would a banker not give a loan to someone who met the loan requirements? He doesn't want to make money? I've never heard of such a banker. Isn't just that it's in bad faith. It's that it's disingenuous and relies heavily on his personal experience. It's kind of a hasty generalization. Let's act like I didn't check this video's facts and sources and I don't know there's nothing backing that claim or question. So yeah, in his make-believe scenario, he's ignoring the fact that there's more than one side to this transaction. A bank, in this case, would get money from selling a property to a black person, but a black person would get a house. In addition to building equity, potentially moving to a safer neighborhood with more resources and a better school. History bears this out. I don't think I need to explain how redlining, blockbusting, and racial covenants all were used to deny black people access to homes, or how black people were either denied the GI Bill entirely or couldn't use it to purchase a single family home. I mean, just a few weeks ago, Bloomberg found that Wells Fargo rejected fewer than half its black applicants' mortgage refinancing, worth billions of dollars. Black homeowners had the lowest approval rate by lenders nationwide in 2020, as well as the smallest number of applicants. Wells Fargo's refinancing approval rates were higher for the lowest income white applicants in 2020 than for all but the highest income black applicants. The banking industry has long argued that credit scores rather than race explain any disparities, but it has lobbied against the release of federal mortgage data containing those scores. Banks and mortgage lenders don't mind discriminating against black people. They know they'll get their money eventually. Here's a micro level application of what I'm talking about. A few years ago, a Colorado bakery refused to make a wedding cake for a gay couple under the guise of religious liberty, or some oxymoronic nonsense that was readily accepted by conservatives. And again, the bakery is denying itself some money, but the couple didn't get the cake. Back to the topic at hand, privilege. I'll leave you with this. Early on in the video, Officer Tatum asked,
what if I had a store that had a history of being shoplifted by young black women and a young black woman with a bad attitude walked in? Would I be suspicious? Yeah, I would. Who wouldn't?
Now, upholding the black woman with an attitude trope, relating that to behavior such as shoplifting for some reason, and ignoring surveys and polls where black people are far more likely to claim being followed while shopping than their white counterparts. If that wasn't bad enough, he ended the video this way.
I'm an American who deal with my fellow Americans one-on-one. Try it. It works.
Does he though? For Rebel HQ, I'm Jeff Wiggins. My architect knows Japanese. For more from the Young Turks, stay right here. If you want to see content from yours truly, click on the hashtag below. I can also be found on all socials at He Gon' Be Alright. Thanks for watching.